Hello, very old subscribers here on YouTube. Just of yesterday or 2 days ago, a law was passed because of Trump and Robert F. Kennedy that the YouTube accounts that got deleted during COVID to do the COVID misinformation, that these old accounts will be restored. And Google admitted that they were politically motivated by the Biden administration. So, of course, I reached an appeal. And so, what's up? Who's still here on my account? Yeah, so this account was, of course, gone. And we can make use again of this account right now. Let me know, how are you? Um, how about the situation with you and the Nano, the Graphene, and the Morgellons and everything? Yeah, I mean, I have another channel, maybe you did not know, and I will post it in the description. It has a lot of really new and updated audio uploads, and I know a ton of new information. I'm still with the Wave Genome, and I preach the Wave Genome. That's the best technology that exists in the world. Yeah, I'm still using the EMP. I'm still using the shocking devices. I mean, there's already new devices, in case you didn't know. Um, yeah, like there's a handy shocker. There is a shocking machine, a multiple pulsing machine. I have those. What else is new? Well, hydroxychloroquine, ivermectin. That's the stuff that's new. Rosafin and ceftriaxone. That's the stuff that's new. Is there anything else? I don't think so, but those are the things that really do work. Sauna, it's the new thing. Heat kills nanotechnology. Okay, so hot water, sauna, like if you do a laundry, you really need hot water on your foam or mattresses or pillows. You need hot water, boiling hot water. It will destroy nanotechnology. So that's what we know. That's good actually. Steam kills nanotechnology. Um, yeah, I made frequencies that can definitely change the weather to the good if it's like, let's say, geoengineered or manipulated. You can use sound to change the weather back to good. Mm, I made some subliminals on my main channel that are good to disconnect from the AI simulation and AI similarity. Uh, Brand new subliminals on my YouTube. I made them. I will put the link in the description. Just click my new YouTube channel. Anything else that's new? Yeah, NMN, NAD plus. That's pretty good stuff actually. Yeah. Oh, tobacco. Tobacco is pretty good. Tobacco is really good. You can boil a tea. If you buy some American spirit or Pueblo tobacco, you can boil some tobacco, like one spoon with tobacco, boil it and drink it, or smoke it. It's up to you. Don't use nicotine patches. I don't trust that shit. You know. Alkalize your body. Lemons are good. Sodium bicarbonate. Borax still very good. It's the things you already know. Yeah, I think there might be nothing new so far. The most I do breach the wave genome. That's the number one. Okay. Cool. Okay, peace, guys. Nice to be back. Nice to have you back. Also, okay, spread the word and reach out in the comments if you have any questions. Let me know. Bye bye.